All right, now that we have a basic understanding of how the stock exchange works, let's dive into the different types of stocks you can shop for in this grand supermarket. When it comes to stocks, you have a variety of options to choose from, just like the different aisles in a supermarket. In the world of stocks, these options are categorized into growth stocks, value stocks, and dividend stocks. Growth stocks are like the new, trendy items on the shelf. These are the stocks of companies expected to grow at an above-average rate compared to other companies in the market. Then we have value stocks. These are similar to discounted items in a supermarket. They are shares of companies that are considered undervalued compared to their intrinsic value. And finally, dividend stocks. These are akin to the buy one, get one free deals. Companies with dividend stocks distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders, hence, you get a little extra. So next time you're in the stock exchange supermarket, remember you have a variety of stocks to choose from. And just like grocery shopping, you need to make sure you pick the right mix to maintain a healthy investment portfolio. In our next video, we'll delve deeper into how to analyze these stocks and make informed decisions. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.